Hello guys, welcome back to Main Tech channel. And today we are going to be taking a look at another way to make money online. And the name of this site is esom. Esom is a quantitative trading site, so they trade crypto for you and you earn from the crypto they trade. You get the profits from the crypto they trade. So all you have to do is to deposit money and they will basically make your money work for you. So today we are going to be taking a look at the sites, and yeah, let's get into the video. So guys, first things first, you have to click on the link in the description to sign up to esom. So you fill in your required details and complete your sign up. When you complete your sign up, you'll be brought to this page. So this page is the home page and it contains different activities like the FAQ. So if you have any question regarding esom, this is where you're going to click on. It has a tutorial. The tutorial teaches you how to deposit, withdraw and trade on the site. And the invite is going to contain your invitation code. So this invitation code is what you can use to invite your friends and family, so you get a certain commission from whatever they invest. And your strategy is basically what this is basically when your money is working for you. So you click there to check what your money is doing and how many percent it has traded of your money. So yeah, let's go to my page. So in my page now, you can see I have a balance of 0.00 and my earnings of today is 0.6 USDT. So basically I do have money on this account, but it is currently trading for me. So let's go back to home so I can show you my money that is trading. As you can see, under working, you can see investment amount 24 USDT, and I started the process at 3:59 this afternoon and it has worked 15%. So by tomorrow afternoon at 3:59 it should have finished mining. So let's go to finished. As you can see, I have engaged in 2 trades already. So basically I've earned from these 2 trades. As you can see, the first trade was 23 USDT because that's what I deposited, and the second one is 23.57 USDT. So the 0.57 was the gain from the first 23 USDT. So basically this is going to work for me for 24 hours, and tomorrow again, that's after 24 hours, I'm going to come back here and use my initially deposited money and my interest. I'm going to reinvest all of them. So that's basically what I'm going to do, and in 30 days I would have doubled my income. Yes, I would have doubled my income. But let's go back and take a look at other aspects of the site. So for example, as you can see, they have different plans. I'm going to click on more so that we can see all the plans they have. It's loading. Okay, as you can see, they have a VXM strategy and this works for 2 hours. So instead of the 24 hours that I'm doing, it is going to work for 2 hours. So every 2 hours you are going to come back here to invest. You're going to come back here to invest. Yes, and the MACD strategy is a 12-hour strategy. So this one is going to work for you for 12 hours every day. So 12 hours, every 12 hours you're going to come back here to reinvest. But as you can see, their profits, their returns are different. So the VXM strategy's return is 15.89%, while the MACD strategy is 17.02%. So the CCI strategy, this is the strategy I'm currently using, and it is 17.67% 7-day rate of return. So this is one I'm currently doing, and this is the one most of the people I know are doing. This is more profitable. As you can see, the percentage is different, and this one has a higher percentage. There's a KD factor timing strategy, and this works for 72 hours, and the 7-day rate of return is 16.72. So as you can see, the rate of return is the highest in CCI strategy, which works for 24 hours. So that's basically what I'm doing. So if I click on it right here, if I had money remaining in my balance, it will be showing the amount I have in my balance, and I'll just click on all, and it's going to take all, and I'm going to start trading. And after 24 hours, I'm going to come back here and trade again till I'm no more interested in trading. And the best thing about this site is that you can withdraw your money at absolutely any time. So anytime you don't feel comfortable with the site, you can withdraw your money, or if you need the money urgently, you can always withdraw it. You are not forced to keep your money on the site. So that's basically one of the important things I like about the site. And the minimum investment is 5 USDT. So you can invest 5 USDT, but I think the minimum recharge amount is 10 USDT, but I'm not sure about that. I'll let you guys know when I confirm that. But the minimum investment amount is 5 USDT. So if you want to recharge your wallet, all you basically have to do is click on recharge here. So after clicking on recharge, you put the amount you want. For example, let me put 10 USDT. Let me put 5 to see how much the minimum recharge is. Let me put 5. So as you can see, I can't deposit any amount less than 10 USDT. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to put 10 USDT. So recharge. So as you can see, immediately I put the 10 USDT, I was given a TRC20 wallet address that I'm to deposit the 10 USDT to. So if I wanted to recharge now, I would have simply copied this USDT TRC20 wallet address and taken it to my Binance wallet and transferred the 10 USDT to it. But as we all know, Binance removes a charge of 1 USDT. So you impute 11 USDT as the amount you want to send, but 10 USDT is going to be credited into your esom wallet. So after that, you automatically see your recharge amount under your balance. And to withdraw, all you have to do is click on withdraw, put in the amount you want to withdraw, select your withdrawal address, so that's your USDT TRC20 address, and they are going to remove a withdrawal fee of 0.3%. So if you are withdrawing 10 USDT, they are going to withdraw 0.3% of 10 USDT. So that's basically it, and you are going to get your money in less than 24 hours. So the maximum amount of time you are going to wait for is 24 hours, but most of the time you don't have to wait for 24 hours to receive your money in your USDT wallet. So that's basically it. And as for your referral, so you can refer as much people as you want. The more you refer, the more your commission. And as you can see here, they have 5 levels. 5 levels, guys. So there's the level 1, there's the level 2, there's the level 3, there's the level 4, and there's the level 5. So you can still earn from your level 4, the referred person under your level 4. So if your level 4 refers, you are going to still earn from their referrals. So that's basically it, guys. So this is a awesome opportunity to make more money, guys. So I'm going to go back to the home page, and yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys in this video. So that's basically all you need to know about esom, and I'm going to keep you guys updated with esom. Since I have few USDT in the esom account, whenever I withdraw, I'm going to make a video too, so that you guys can basically watch my process and see that esom is really paying. I have a lot of friends and colleagues that have withdrawn from esom, but I want to invest more money on it, and I want to try it out myself. before making my verdict on the sites. So I'm basically going to test the sites for, let's say, 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, and I'm going to come back to you guys and give you a report. But if you want to invest now, you can invest, but please note that I am not a financial advisor and this video is just for educational purposes. So you can make your own research and decide if you would like to invest in esom. So that's basically all I have for you guys in this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, guys, have a blessed day. Peace.